Observe the circuit given below. All the three switches are open. So this switch is open, this switch is open, and this switch is open. And we have a voltage source here. Here we have the fuse. Usually the symbol will be like this. And here we have a lamp. So first we will consider switch 3. When the switch 3 is closed, nothing will happen, because if it is closed or open, this is 0 volts. Here is also 0 volts. So if you close this, everywhere it will be 0 volts. 0 volts. So nothing is going to happen with the switch 3, because even if it is open or short, all the potential here will be 0. The question arises only when we consider switch 1 and switch 2. For example, if we close switch 1 and switch 2 is open, so what will happen? The current will start flowing through the fuse, through switch 1, because this is closed, and comes over here. This is open, so there is no path to go this side. So it has to flow through this lamp and then reaches the ground. So in this case, a load is connected across the voltage source, so nothing will happen. But whereas, assume that when switch 1 and switch 2 is closed, so what happens now? The voltage, the current will flow through the fuse, through switch 1 and comes here. It sees the current always takes the easiest path to reach the ground. So it will reach this path, because this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, this point is also 0. So the bulb, there won't be any current through the bulb, so it will go through switch 2 and reaches the ground. So now, ideally, the total resistance in this path is 0 ohms. Okay, therefore, current is equal to V by 0, which is going to be infinity amps. So current is going to be infinity. So if that is the case, then fuse will get blows out and the circuit is open. Therefore further no current will flow. So now the question is, identify the switch or switches when switched on will cause the fuse to blow out. So the condition, the answer for this problem is switch 1 and switch 2 should be in on condition. On condition. If these two switches are in on condition, then the fuse will blow out. We need not consider switch 3, because even if it is short or open, nothing is going to happen, because if it is short, all this line is 0, this line is 0, so nothing is going to happen. So when switch 1 is open and switch 2 is open, the load is connected, the current is forced to go through the lamp loads and the bulb will glow. Whereas if switch 1 and switch 2 are on, this potential is 0, because the switch is closed, this voltage is 0, here again it is 0. So current takes the easiest path to reach the ground. So the overall resistance in the circuit is going to be 0 ohms. If that is the case, I current is equal to V by 0, I is equal to V by R. Therefore V by 0 is infinity. So infinite current will start flowing. Therefore the fuse cannot withstand that much heavy current. So fuse will blow out. Thank you. This is for class 10th science.